Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making Elaichi Mutton. Today I will be cooking in a handi. Put it on low flame and add ghee. Handi is an organic way of cooking food and which tastes very delicious. Today we are cooking a very light recipe. Elaichi or cardamom is added once the ghee is heated. Oh, what an aroma! The fragrance of elaichi or cardamom has spread all over the home. Next, we'll be adding the mutton. Slowly and gently keep stirring. While the mutton is getting cooked, in the meanwhile, wash and chop the coriander and make a paste of tomatoes. As the mutton is cooking, we will be adding coriander in batches. Reserve the rest for further use. The fragrance of cardamom and coriander really makes it heavenly. Now it's time to put the tomato gravy. The main base of the gravy is tomato. So no other things like onion, ginger, garlic has been used. Even red chili or green chili has not been used in this recipe. Gently cook the mutton on low heat. Add salt. Add black pepper. Now add the second batch of coriander leaves. Add coriander powder. Cover the lid and let it cook on low heat. Till now we have not added water. It has been cooking in the water released by the mutton. Now we are adding the third batch of coriander leaves. According to the consistency you require, add hot water while cooking. Hot water is essential because we are cooking in a handi, which is an earthen pot. If we put cold water, it might crack. So, hot water is used. Now as you can see, the ghee is floating on the surface. That means the mutton is ready. You can see the color, how beautiful it looks. It's a very light gravy recipe and you would just love it. Once you make it, you will love to make it again and again. You can serve it with rice, chapati or paratha, naan, anything whichever you feel comfortable. Look at the rogan, it's looking quite red. I have not used any red chili. This is the speciality of this recipe. The color has been obtained from the tomatoes. Since the tomatoes were oranges, it has given an orangish color, but it still looks beautiful. Enjoy the Elaichi mutton with yourself and your family. Thanks for watching.